Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky Codes. Today in this series of cracking SQL interview in 50 questions, we are going to solve problem number 19 in this series. And the problem name is queries quality and percentage. Let's check out this problem. So the problem here is LeetCode problem number 1211, queries quality and percentage. In this problem, we have been given a table called queries. It has four columns. First one is query name, that is varchar type, and second is result, that is also varchar type. And third column is position, that is integer type, and then the last column is rating, that is also integer type. And this instructions are that this table may have duplicate rows, and this table contains information collected from some queries on a database. The position column here has a value from 1 to 500, and the rating column has a value from 1 to 5. Query with rating less than 3 is a poor quality. What do we have to do in this problem is that we have to define query quality as the average of the ratio between query rating and its position. We also define poor query percentage as the percentage of all the queries with rating less than 3. Now we have to write a solution to find each query name and its quality and the poor query percentage. Both both quality and poor query percentage should be rounded up to two decimal places, and we have to return the result table in any order. For example, we have been given a table, queries table, and it contains query name, for example, like dog, and its result is golden retriever, position is 1, and then rating is 5. Then again query name is given, and then result is German Shepherd, and then position is 2, and then rating is 5. Similarly, the dog and then mule and then 200 and then 1. Output quality should be query name, quality and poor query percentage. Dog has like 5, 5, 10 and 11, and then its average rating is 2.5. And then again the poor query percentage is 33.33, because here it is like 1 in a 3, like one time it has been ranked 200, and two times it is like normal, so that is why poor query percentage is 33.33%. Here explanation is given, like dog queries quality is 5 by 1, like rating 5 divided by 1, and then rating 5 divided by 2, and plus rating 1 divided by 200 divided by 3 equal to 2.5. And then again, like to calculate the dog queries poor query percentage is 1 by 3 star 200 star 100, that is 33.33. So that's how we have to solve this problem. So like what we will do is that we will have to start writing queries, and as we can see here that we have to print three columns. First one is query name is itself. We will select query name, and then we will like use the round function to like round the query rating and poor query percentage. And so like we will use round function and then average, and then we will use rating star 1.0, and then divided by the position, and we will round it up to two decimals, as like a quality. And we will also select like a round of like some of the sum, and then we will use case when like rating is less than 3, then 1, else 0, and then end, and we will multiply it by 100 and then divide it by count star 2, and then count star and then comma 2. Okay, as like a poor underscore query underscore percentage, and from the table queries, and then group by query underscore name. So if we go through the query, then we can see that here average of rating is rating into 1 divided by position. So this calculates the quality for each query name using the given formula. Okay, this one. And here we are calculating the poor query, and that is like we are using here when rating is less than 3, then it is considered to be one poor query, and if it is greater than 3 or equal to 3, then it is not considered to be poor query. So that is why, and then we are summing all the poor queries, number of all the poor queries, and then dividing it by all the queries, and then we are grouping it by query name. So that is calculates the percentage, and a number of poor queries, and let's see if it works or not. Okay, as you can see here that it works fine for our given test case, and now we will check for the all the test cases in this problem. As we can see here that it works properly and very efficiently in our given test cases. So that's it for the problem number 19 in this series. And if you like the solution, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Comment your suggestions or any views that you have regarding this video, and also do not forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that are coming in this series. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.